In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the cost per click or CPC of a keyword in Google Ads. This is a crucial aspect for anyone diving into keyword bidding, as knowing the CPC helps you make informed decisions when planning and budgeting your advertising campaigns. We'll walk through this process step by step, and you should be able to accomplish it within just a few minutes. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Ads website. If you've not been there before, it's the platform where you can get customers and sell more through online advertising. Once you're there, looking to the top right corner of the page, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. This step is essential as signing in will give you access to all the tools and features available for your advertising needs. After successfully signing in, you are now directed to the Google Ads home section. This hub is where you'll find various options to manage and monitor your campaigns. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area if you're new to Google Ads, as it offers a comprehensive overview. Next, locate the overview section. The overview page provides you with a snapshot of your campaign's performance, and it's a great place to start. By clicking here, you ensure you have a bird's eye view of your campaigns, making it easier to navigate to specific metrics such as CPC. Once you're in the overview section, direct your attention to the arrow drop-down list. When you click on this arrow, it will expand a menu with numerous options for data analysis. This drop-down is valuable because it contains various metrics and tools that help you drill down into your campaign performance details. Finally, in the expanded list, you should see an option labeled AVG, CPC, or average cost per click. Clicking on this option will display the average CPC values for your campaigns. These values reflect the amount you've been charged on average for clicks on your advertisements. Understanding these numbers is fundamental to better managing your budget and optimizing your ad spend effectively. And there you have it. Checking the CPC of a keyword in Google Ads is straightforward once you know where to look. This knowledge allows you to strategically plan your bids and maximize the impact of your advertising budget. Ensure that you regularly check these metrics to stay on top of changes and trends within your campaigns. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in making the most of your Google Ads experience.